Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Capcut video editor on Windows without using any Android emulator. So Capcut is a popular video editing app that allows you to create stunning videos with ease. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first step is to go to your search engine, and for me I'm going to go to my Google Chrome, and we're going to be searching for the official Capcut website. So I'm just going to be putting in Capcut, and we see the autofills in here. So I'm going to put in Capcut for PC download. I'll put the link of the website in the description. So you have to make sure it is from the official website and skip all these adverts, and we're going to this one of Capcut. So you tap on that. So this takes you to their official website, and as you can see, you can log in or sign up, but we're not going to be doing that since we only want to download to our PCs or computers. So closing this, we're going to find out more about this editor. So you can scroll through. As you can see, it's easy to use. It has training effects, it has text like a normal editor would do, and you can check all this out if you want to know more about the website. So we're going to be downloading. We're going to go up and download to our computers. When you're all done, you click download for Windows and it starts to download immediately, as you can see down here. So after it's downloading, we're going to open it. So it's gonna work out and install all the necessary parts. You don't need to install anything, you just need to download it once, and when it's done, it opens up this amazing interface. So it asks you to sign in, but we can skip that, but you can sign in if you want. So we're going to create new project. So when you tap on that, it takes you to the main editing part, and you can import. So it takes you to your computer, you choose what you want, and it imports it. So here it is. We can go to audios. So many audios here. There are sound effects in here for free. So it has all lo-fi, it has transitions, it has movies, animations, all these animals sounds you can get here. If you have your own audio, you can still go to import and bring in another audio file, as you can see, and then all those that you want to use, you just drag and drop them to this timeline, and that is the project you'll be working on. So we still have text, we have stickers up there, we have transitions, animations, all these adjustments, and then on the left side we have audio, speed, animations, tracking. So after you're done with satisfied with the project, you can export it, and you can export it where you can change the resolution, all the settings here. So the resolution can go up to 4K, so you can change that, and you can decide to export only the audio. So you tick this box and untick the video, and then you can hit export. There you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And if you want to know how to create a live wallpaper for your PC or computer, find out by clicking on the video on the screen right now.